Good morning, children. I am Yashudipta ma'am with GK of class 4. You are learning page 7 word quiz. In the last class, I gave you some word meanings. Have you written this in your classwork copy? Word meanings: habitat, convenient, flightless birds, wading birds, perching birds. That we have finished. Today you will do some classwork on bird quiz. Some question answers I will give you. In your classwork copy, write here classwork and date, today's date you give. Write here page 7 bird quiz. This way you will write in your classwork copy. Question 1. Name 2 wading birds. Name 2 wading birds. W-A-D-I-N-G. Wading birds. Answer: heron. H-E-R-O-N. Heron. H-E-R-O-N. Heron. Crane. C-R-A-N-E. Crane. C-R-A-N-E. Crane. Heron. H-E-R-O-N. Heron. C-R-A-N-E. Crane. Name 2 wading birds. Heron, crane. Question number 2. Name 2 perching birds. P-E-R-C-H-I-N-G. Perching. P-E-R-C-H-I-N-G. Perching. Name 2 perching birds. Answer: crow. C-R-O-W. Crow. Sparrow. S-P-A-R-R-O-W. S-P-A-R-R-O-W. Sparrow. So name 2 perching birds. Crow, sparrow. Question number 3. Name 2 flightless birds. Name 2 flightless birds. F-L-I-G-H-T. Flight. L-E-S-S. Flightless. What is the meaning of flightless? The birds that cannot fly. So name 2 flightless birds. Answer: emu. E-M-U. Emu. E-M-U. Emu. Kiwi. K-I-W-I. Kiwi. K-I-W-I. Kiwi. So what you learned today? Question 1. Name 2 wading birds. Heron, crane. Name 2 perching birds. Crow, sparrow. Question number 3. Name 2 flightless birds. Emu, kiwi. So children, this is your classwork for today, and you will learn these spellings and these question answers. And in your book, bird quiz, this page we have finished the classwork. You will learn this all spellings and question answers. What is given, how it is given, you will learn this very well. So children, after this today, bye bye.